Hi everyone, so today we are here to create a new game whose name is Snake Game. So let's start. Delete the sprite and choose a new sprite here by clicking on choose sprite. So as I'm choosing this here, and then we have to change the size of the sprite. As I made it small, and again I have to create a new one. So here I'm creating it by clicking on the paint. Okay, so we have to create a head for the snake, so you can choose the color size accordingly. Also I'm adding the eyes, so it's your choice. You want to add the eyes and all, like how you want to decor, that's up to you. I found this color too dark, so I'm choosing another color as I chose yellow here. Next we have to choose the backdrop, so here I'm going to select blue sky, but yes, I'm changing its color. I'm adjusting the brightness and all, and I changed it to light green. You can see on light green the yellow color is not that much visible, so I'm changing the color of the border so that it will be visible on the screen. Also change the sprite name to snake so that it will be easy to you to find the name. Next I'm also changing its size. Okay, so next let's start coding for the snake. First of all, click on events and choose when green flag clicked. I hope this is visible to you. I zoomed it. Next you have to select the X position and the Y position for your sprite. After selecting the position, you have to create variables here. First one is score. You have to create a score variable. Next, you have to create a clone variable. And the third one, speed. So I created three variables here. Now set the variable first score, second let it be clone, and change to 0.3, and last one speed, and make it 4. Next you have to click on control and choose the loop forever and then conditional statement if then inside this. Now click on sensing and choose key space pressed means up arrow, and for next you have to choose down arrow. Then inside this select the direction, point in direction to be 0, and for next point in direction will be 180. It is just like you can go up, down, left, right. Two more we have to do for right and left. So see how to do it. Similarly, you have to do the same thing. Key space pressed and change it to right arrow and change it to left arrow. Then point in direction. For right arrow, point in direction will be 90, and for left arrow it should be minus 90. Next, click on motion block and choose move 10 steps after if then, and put speed at the place of 10. Click on events and choose when green flag clicked, and then click on control and choose a loop forever. Then you have to create a clone of your sprite and you have to change its color effect by 25. So always when a new clone will be created, always be in the different color. Next you have to choose when I start as a clone from the control, and you have to wait and you have to put clone inside at the place of 1 second. Then you have to delete this clone. Click on events and choose when green flag clicked. Choose a loop from the control forever and conditional statement inside this if then. Put touching mouse pointer inside the if then. Then you have to create a broadcast, name it try again. Oh, by mistake I write broadcast here, but you have to write try again. Then you have to stop all. That block you can find in the control block. Now your code is complete for the snake. Let's see the output. You can see. Okay, now next let's code for the next sprite. When green flag clicked, and you have to go in the random position, click on control and choose forever and the if then inside this. Then Put change clone by 1 for 2 times means you have to change it to score also. And touching snake from the sensing. Then clone is 0.1 and a score is by 1. Then you again have to go in the random position, and this is the code for the next sprite. So code for the snake and code for the crab is done. Now we have to work on how our game will be over, like how our game will be end. So let's code for it. Create a blank sprite, take text and write game over there. Select color as per your choice, and also you can adjust it in the center where you want to put it, and also you can change its font style. Next we have to start coding. So come to the coding part. Choose when green flag clicked, you want to hide it, because when your game will start, you want like your game over will be hidden. And next, when you will receive the try again, then you will go in the front layer and your game will be like it will be shown on your screen. Let's see the output. We have to touch the crab to gain the score. Yeah, you can see 2 or 3 snakes while I'm moving my sprite, but doesn't matter because while I'm moving my head's because we are going in the speed, that's why we can see a lot of snakes here, but there is only one snake. It is getting bigger while it is gaining the score. But one thing, there is a mistake, because it is not while it is touching the edge, game is not getting over. So if touching edge then broadcast try again, there was a mistake, like I left a block to change, so change it here. Now you can see the output. Now it will work properly. When you will touch the edge, your game will be over. You can see again I'm playing. Also you can see my speed, my clone and score is changing here. So this is how we can create a snake game in Scratch. From my side, I explained it very well. If there will be any doubt, please do comments. Bye bye. Take care.